Animal Hospital. This is the new recent no, he makes me feel like I have company. I've already played this before, okay? As you can see, I have the secretary phone. Waiting for visitors. Okay, not that hard. Ooh, who's this dude? Hey, buddy. Let's down a little. Yeah, that's good. Register. Take some stuff and leave. I don't care if we can get one. That's magic door. Oh, you did not need to turn that on. Yeah, that's fine. You don't in the omelet video. Let me see you guys. Did you guys want to? I'm getting tired. Sure. What was I saying? Sorry, I got that bad tendencies. Okay. Register and print badge. So yeah. There are no anomalies on the first shift, okay? Just do whatever the heck you want. You don't even have to look at stupid. So yeah, you don't even have to wait. You have to see if there are anomalies or not. No anomalies spawn. Stomach ache. He needs herbs. Man, what were you eating? Bet it was Taco Bell's. Diarrhea. Why do you have bandages on your head? Stomach ache. Eye drops. Okay. There, your eye drops. Doctor. What was on the bushes? What was I doing? Hello there, Mr. Doctor. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Hey, Dr. Harlow. Someone's face. Your face gets strange. Let's keep working. Why? I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Oh, why don't you do that? I don't fix the oh, I'm the best doctor in the world. Yes, I know. 30, $63. Get over here. He's his neck pain. Okay. It's probably just neck pain. Get my bags ready with you. And Psych. You better leave. Why are you twitching like that? Oh, let me get my coffee. Security cameras as well, to on all these. Wait a second. It is something quite wrong here. Guys. Guys, I feel this is an anomaly because the colors are not match what the camera shows. But I don't get fired. Camera shows different. I'm showing them. Dude, no. Okay, so we know how they do it. They're like, this is switching. It looks like he gave it to me with an animation. Me one camera down. Oh shoot, the next camera down. Wait, is it again? Dog, why are you staying right? Oh no. No service. Yeah, service. You better leave, bro. Oh, no. Okay, I'm fine. Excuse me. No, just halfway there. You better wait. Oh, did you see that? Okay, let's get coffee. No, but what was that? Twin. I think camera broke. Impatience. What? Yes, leave. Tim. Oh my goodness. This was a hybrid. Already he's a hybrid? Let's see if it is. Stop yapping. Oh no. Get out of the hospital. Let me do my shifts first. Name? What? This is weird. Let me make sure I have clear it is. Yeah, I did. Yo, what? Bomb here. Wait a second. Hang on. Yeah, I did. I need to get free before this video ends. Okay, I'm gonna do this up. No, by accident. What did we dance? Isn't this a cool dance? Give me a few speed this up. I don't know much time of this video. The doctor's arriving. What do you want, Dr. Harlow? Let's get Starbucks for you. I'm gonna unlock the shop. So cool. Everybody's here. Please. Answer. I want to give one use of this. Please, no. Wait. Stick to the fourth night. Is that Barney? Yeah, I'm Barney. Make coffee. A long day. Okay. What if I just... Here's the coffee. Oh, I'm sorry. What do you mean by that? Yeah, I'm gonna start drawing. Oh, no blocked, okay? Oh! Dang, you scared me. Hey, you! Oh, there. Oh, what's this? Okay, my time is almost up, so yeah. Check out this nice guy. That will be it.